Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your job is gone. For more than half of all people between 50 and 70, this experience is all too real. Yet knowing the odds does not condemn you to helplessness. Instead, it means you can prepare long before any pink slip arrives. Picture yourself holding a detailed action plan that guides you from day one of unemployment, or even sooner. With a map in hand, panic turns into purpose, confusion becomes clarity, and you move forward with confidence. First, shine a light on your finances. Most anxiety comes from the unknown, so start by figuring out exactly how much money you have to work with. Contact your former employer's human resources team and confirm any severance pay. Ask if your health insurance continues for a limited time, and if so, how long. Check your retirement accounts and understand the rules for withdrawing funds. When you know what you have, you can make calm, informed decisions instead of stumbling in the dark. Next, secure unemployment benefits as soon as possible. Think of it like putting on a life jacket before swimming into uncertain waters. Every state has its own process, and it is important to follow all instructions carefully. If you live in Texas, for example, the Texas Workforce Commission's website will guide you step by step. Filing right away ensures a steady flow of support while you navigate the job market. Your resume is the story you tell employers about yourself, and it deserves a powerful rewrite. Remove older roles that do not strengthen your case and highlight your recent achievements with clear, measurable results. If you once led a small team to deliver a project under budget, say it proudly. If you built a manufacturing facility that served 1,700 dealers, mention it to show your experience with complex challenges. Tools like ChatGPT can refine your wording, making your resume sharper, more professional, and perfectly aligned with the jobs you target. Now turn to your LinkedIn profile. Imagine it as a digital stage where potential employers can see who you are and what you do best. Upload a professional photo and choose a headline that captures your top skill. Summarize your experience in a way that speaks to what you can do right now, not decades ago. Consider LinkedIn Premium for added resources, or simply copy your About section into ChatGPT for suggestions that improve clarity and impact. A polished profile draws the right kind of attention. Just as a coach helps athletes sharpen their game, a career coach or recruiter can strengthen your personal brand. These experts understand your industry's hidden rules and tricks. They can help you refine your interview approach, better negotiate salary offers, and package your skills in a way that resonates with employers. Some companies partner with services like RiseSmart, which offer professional guidance to laid-off workers. If yours does, use it. If not, search online for coaches who know how to bring your strengths into focus. Do not forget to explore reputable job boards. Think of them as busy markets filled with opportunities you have never considered. Websites like Indeed or LinkedIn Jobs let you sort roles by pay, location, and responsibilities. In some places, especially for blue-collar positions, you may need to register with a state job bank like Work in Texas before you receive unemployment benefits. As you apply, keep track of every position and follow up when needed. This organized approach prevents you from feeling lost in a sea of postings. Your personal network can open doors job boards never reveal. Friends, family, and former coworkers might know of roles perfect for someone with your background. Let them know exactly what you want, such as a project management role in manufacturing or IT. Be upfront and appreciative. If you are a person of faith, invite them to support you with encouragement and prayer. Their goodwill and connections can make a difference when you least expect it. While searching for your next role, consider learning something new. If certain job descriptions mention skills you lack, view that gap as an opportunity. Online platforms like Udemy or Coursera offer courses that build new abilities and qualifications. Volunteering with a community organization also gives you hands-on experience that might catch an employer's eye. Every new skill expands your toolkit and makes you more attractive to future bosses. Stay organized by documenting your job search activities. Keep a simple notebook or spreadsheet noting when and where you applied, who you spoke to, and what each company said. This record helps you decide when to follow up, shows unemployment offices that you are actively searching, and gives you a sense of control. Instead of struggling to remember every detail, you will have a clear path forward. Establishing a daily routine restores your sense of purpose and gives shape to each day. Assign morning hours to checking job boards, midday to polishing your resume, and afternoon to practicing interview answers or networking online. Treat this schedule like a job. Maintaining a steady rhythm prevents drifting into aimlessness and helps you stay productive and positive. Finally, consider turning your unique talents into income. If you know how to solve a specific problem, for instance connecting a chiropractor to steady streams of accident victims, offer it as a service. Even if you ultimately want a traditional job, this entrepreneurial spirit can generate extra income and sharpen your business instincts. It transforms you from a job seeker into a problem solver, showing future employers that you know how to create value. Each of these steps, understanding your finances, securing unemployment, refining your resume, enhancing your LinkedIn presence, seeking expert guidance, exploring job boards, leveraging your personal network, acquiring new skills, documenting your search, following a schedule, considering entrepreneurial ideas, puts you back in control. They are the building blocks of a solid action plan that turns fear into purpose. The job loss that once seemed like a dead end can become a stepping stone towards something new and better. Before you leave, remember why all of this matters. By taking these steps, you prepare yourself for whatever comes next, strengthen your ability to adapt, and build a future that plays to your strengths. If you found these insights helpful, take the next step right now. Click on the recommended video that shows proven strategies for getting hired after age 50. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to learn even more about making the years ahead the most fulfilling, secure, and rewarding of your entire life.